Hello everyone, in this video we'll be guiding you on how to book American Airlines with Chase Points. Now Chase Points does not transfer directly to American Airlines, but the workaround is to transfer Chase Points to British Airways. Now this is because American Airlines partners with British Airways. This means that you can go ahead and book American Airlines flights on British Airways using the transferred Chase Points on British Airways. So to make it simple, you have your Chase Point, you transfer them to British Airways, and then purchase your American flights from British Airways. So first, you'll need to transfer Chase Points into British Airways Avios to book American Airlines flights. Do note that this is a one-way street. That means that you cannot send it back after you've transferred your Chase Points. So make sure to look for award availability on American Airways or British Airways before transferring your Chase Points to the British Airways in order to purchase the American Airways tickets. If you find an award availability, then go ahead and transfer your Chase Points to British Airways, then complete the booking on the British Airways website with the flight that has the award availability. And by doing this, you will be able to book American Airlines with Chase Points via the British Airways portal. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.